Adhering to our own brand, HELI is the core connotation of its brand recognition strategy. Since its establishment in 1958, HELI has never stopped its innovation. While striving forward, HELI always takes the great responsibility of the Chinese nation. During its 50 years adventure, HELI has grown together with Chinese manufacturing industry. HELI's productivity increased from 10,000 units totally in 30 years to 10,000 units in 1 year, up to 100,000 units nowadays. The trademark of HELI was registered in more than 70 countries in the world and became a world-famous brand. Together with the country, together with the nation, together with the partners, HELI plays a major role in creating the excellence of Chinese industrial truck industry. When visiting HELI, President Hu Jintao said,
观念是两个，一条我们要有适应市场竞争的机制，第二个呢，就是说我们必须把自主创新，作为我们企业竞争力的核心。
Insisting in independent innovation is the key initiatives of HELI Technology. It shoulders the dream of rising. As a national innovative enterprise, HELI has the sole national technical center in Chinese forklift industry. And the laboratory for industrial trucks, HELI possesses great capability to complete technical research and development. And HELI undertakes many important national scientific and technical innovation and industrialization. With constant innovations, HELI was honored with the title of National TOH Key Plan High-Tech Enterprise, National Innovation-Oriented Enterprise, Independent Design K-Series, H2000 Series, and G-Series Forklift. At contemporary international advanced levels, main products covering 18 tonnage, 512 products with completely independent intellectual property rights. HELI focuses on the research and development of new industry constantly. Through independent innovation and research commercialization, HELI leads technology progress and industrial upgrading continuously. The most complete industrial chain and widest products line have become the key features of HELI. Located in Hefei as its headquarters, HELI is set up HELI Baoji, HELI Hongyang, HELI Panjin, and Ningbo Liftstar Machinery Company as manufacturing bases. HELI has Hefei Forging and Casting Factory, and Qing Axle Factory, Bangbu Hydraulic Machinery Factory, and Liandong Attachments Company as its essential parts manufacturing industry to support the whole strategy. Basing on the standard management for the listed company and strict process control, HELI carried out lean production completely and pursued excellent management, so as to provide internal guarantee for the creating of high-quality products. From the production of key parts to assembling the completed trucks, those all achieved complete independent production. Those provided the solid foundation to ensure HELI products with higher quality. HELI products achieved the certificates like European Union CE Safety Certification, the USA's EPA certificate, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and OHSAS 18001 certification. And it was honored with the titles of the Enterprise at First Level of Safety Quality Standardization. As the top one brand within Chinese industrial areas, HELI sticks to independent marketing and sets up the largest sales networks with the most completed and the most standardized services. 23 direct sales subsidiary companies, 361 sub-dealers and agent networks, and the only sales and service model like 4S Store within the area of forklift sales to provide pre-sale, sale, and after-sales service comprehensively, efficiently, and promptly. HELI products are now used in docks, railway stations, airports, customs, medicine, and involved into various areas including national securities. HELI influence is well known in the world. HELI built up an independent sales network that covers 80 countries in 5 continents. HELI products has been exported to 151 countries and regions. To create value for clients is HELI's persevering pursuit. Keeping people-oriented and rewarding society with high-quality products are HELI's core criteria. HELI creates value for the customers and produces high-quality products independently. HELI creates value for its shareholders and shares the success with them. HELI provides opportunities for employees and grow together hand in hand. HELI creates warmth for social community to build a harmonious society together. The culture harmony congregates power from various areas so as to achieve a win-win cooperation.
随着中国经济的发展和世界经济的高度融合，很多中国企业在依托中国市场获得良好发展的基础上，也逐步走向全球。HELI作为中国工业车辆领域领先品牌，相信在未来通过创新与发展，我们能够为全球范围内的更多不同领域的客户提供产品与服务。让我们携起手来，共同发展与进步。
HELI, lifting the future.